Okay, so I had to make this video the second because I just wanted you to have a general practical experience of what variables are. So right now I'm going to be talking about PHP data types. So variables can store data of different types, and different data types can do different things. Now PHP supports the following data types. Okay, so what we simply means by data type are simply the categories of data that PHP variables can handle. So some of them we have here are string. We have string, we have integer, we have float, we have booleans, we have array, and we have null. So generally, when we're dealing with text value, so those text value are generally called strings. So any value in quotes, double or single quotes, we call them string in PHP. And also numerical values, we deem them as integer. So when we're dealing with decimal values or exponential values, those are called floats. And also we also have variables that has to do with either true or false values. So those variables we call them booleans, boolean variables. Okay, we also have variable that has multiple values to it. Those variables we call them arrays. And lastly, we have null variable. So when a variable has no value assigned to it, we call them null variables. So generally these are some of the basic data types in PHP, which we're going to be talking in-depthly as we progress in the course. Thank you. See you in the next video.